Hey everybody, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can check if the Python is installed. So the first step is, if you're on Mac, like me, you want to go to the Spotlight search right here and type terminal. If you're on Windows, you want to go to your search bar in the Windows and just type CMD to open the command prompt. So I'm gonna open my terminal. Now I will show you two commands. If the one is not working, you can try the second one and that is probably going to work for you. So the first command is Python dash dash version, press enter, and if it is, it's going to tell you the command was not found. It can mean the Python is not installed and you have to go to their official website right here and you can download the latest version from here. Now the thing is, I already have Python installed, so in my case I need to use Python 3 dash dash version, press enter, and you're gonna see I have Python because it's going to show you the Python version which is installed in your computer. And that's it for this video. This is how you can check if the Python is installed. So you are looking for this number, Python, and this version number. You will probably see different because it depends on version you have installed. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.